You are a very good mama who used the box I left for you. 4 little baby kittens. 3 gray. And here they are. I see a black baby and 3 little gray babies. It's okay, I'm just taking a picture of your babies. You have to be the happiest mommy kitty I have ever seen.